Microsoft Surface headphones, priced at $350 it is in steep competition with Apple Beats and the Sony headphones lineup. First of all, kudos to Microsoft, who has become a bold and an exciting hardware company. Looking at the Surface lineup, it certainly is no overstatement. Microsoft's new pair of headphones is their very first attempt by the Surface design team. The title says it all, Surface headphones. Although the Surface headphones are colored gray, I personally feel that Microsoft has implemented certain design touches to distinguish the new direction it is going into. Jens here from ALLSTARSPACE. Let's have a look inside this box. So basically the box itself looks like a typical Microsoft Surface product. Once you put the headphones on, it feels premium. I paired them with my Pixel 3. Simply press and release the power button, search for a Bluetooth device on your phone, and voila! All done and connected. If you have a Microsoft Surface device, you can download the app, connect the Surface headphones and set them up this way, or simply adjust settings at a later stage. I have chosen the quick start as I don't have a Surface device. Let's cover some basics first. There are two dials on each ear cup. The right hand dial controls the volume. On the left, the dial controls adjustable active noise cancellation and amplification. There is a small power button, a LED light. For charging your Surface headphones, Microsoft included a USB-C port and the standard 3.5mm headphone jack. Once all connected, it is easy to use. Control your volume by turning the dial on the right hand side. Turn forward to increase the volume and backwards to lower the sound. If you want quiet to enjoy your music, turn the dial on your left ear cup forward to activate your noise cancellation and simply register less sound around you. If you go backwards, you will hear more sound around you. If you turn the dial of your Surface headphones all the way back, it will amplify the sound around you, giving the option to listen to your music and hear anything important at the same time. What I did find useful was that any action was confirmed by what I assume is Cortana. Now, I am not into voice controls just yet, but I did find it totally helpful, telling me that I have activated or deactivated my noise cancellation or anything else. When turning on the Surface headphones, it tells me how much battery life of listening hours I have left. The design reminds me of a clean and smooth look like Bang & Olufsen, kind of minimalistic. It has a steel headband and a lot of what feels like high quality plastic. The ear cups have soft memory foam pads and feel nice around my ears. There's a touch control area in the middle of the ear cups on both sides of the Surface headphones. Tap either side once to pause or resume music, tap twice to skip to the next song, and 3 times to go back to the previous song. Should you receive a phone call, you can answer by tapping twice on either side. Do the same procedure for ending a call. Now, if you are into your voice assistant, you can hold for a couple of seconds and activate Cortana, Google's Assistant or Siri depending on your device. If any of these controls are overwhelming, Microsoft has implemented a simple feature that when you take off your Surface headphones, it will simply stop the music. So I have noise activation, noise cancellation, full power. The music is really loud, I can't hear my own voice. I'm going to take them off now. And they're off. In terms of battery, I got around 13 hours instead of 15, which Microsoft claims. I think this could be improved in the next cycle of Surface headphones. Sound quality is superb and the Surface headphones sound excellent with noise cancellation on or off. I feel that for the first pair of headphones, Microsoft has really accomplished something here. There is a good balanced sound with enough bass no matter which genre will hit them. Phone calls was okay. Mind you, I am not that type of person who makes calls with the headphones like that. If you are, the best way to describe it, it is serviceable. Bluetooth connectivity was strong and stable. You can connect up to 10 Bluetooth devices with the Surface headphones from any brand, but only connect 2 at a time. The styling is unique and the Surface headphones stand out on your head. Maybe the next version will come with different color choices. Look, at the end of the day, it is all about the dials. Do you remember the Surface Studio dial? Well, Microsoft has become the master of dials and those headphones prove this once and for all. So what are my final thoughts? Well, this is certainly no experiment by Microsoft and those headphones are really a pleasure to wear and sound quality is excellent. I do understand that Microsoft tries to have a certain balance between voice control and physical control. I am personally not too bothered about the voice control just yet. My biggest plus points therefore are the ease of use. Having those dials around either side is just a genius move and I believe that Microsoft nails it in this department. Don't get me wrong, not having buttons is obviously the future future, but for now I'm okay with having these dials. Think about the fact that this is the very first attempt to build these headphones, and personally I like them a lot. I'm gonna keep them around for traveling and regular office work. The only device missing now is the Surface Pro 6, and let me know in the comments below if I should get one in order to match it with my Surface headphones. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Jens here from ALLSTARSPACE. As always, see you next time, see you next week. Peace out.